Thank you to give us an opportunity to showcase our technology. My name is Milind Shirsagar. I was CEO of Reliance. I worked with Mukesh Ambani, created 650 crore business from scratch, and came out of that and started a social entrepreneurship company. We are part of Science and Technology Park, Government of India, Department of Science and Technology, and Government of India has taken 5% stake in our project. We are working on basic education, vocational education, healthcare and telemedicine, and agriculture education. All four verticals simultaneously, same the way Ambanis do business in multiple verticals simultaneously to milk the government, milk the society, milk everything. But here we are giving back to society, we are not milking the country. That's the difference, that's why I came out. And no. Presentations.swf. SW file. By the time he sets up this, I'll just give you a brief. We have signed a public-private partnership agreement with Government of India to create a unique solution in 137,000 villages. Animation is a very big scope. Presentation.swf. Current. Presentation.swf. Let's copy it down. PPT nahi hai, presentations.swf files naam hai. So the whole idea here to create a complete solar power solutions with the hardware. We got 3 patents on Edu projector, on healthcare telemedicine device, as well as augmented reality based computing which we are getting developed now. The 2 products are ready. We have launched this in multiple places. Government of India has supported us in many places. They gave us stalls at a very low price. So we launched this in Africa.com in Cape Town. We launched it in Singapore. We launched it in Dubai, and we signed up an agreement with NGO, which is working in 51 countries. The whole overall idea of the whole solution is how we can provide multiple things at a very low price. So we are the first company in the country to got EDU by Government of India, and shortly we'll be launching a very unique program. You will witness this in coming month. So let me go back. I think he's not able to find out the SWF file. Let us show directly the product. So the concept here is that as Pratham and other companies and everybody has identified that the challenges of the country or challenges of the global market. In India there are 700,000 villages, and out of which 600,000 villages do not have electricity. And how to deliver computerization, how to deliver multiple solutions, how to create a skill development program. So that is what we will show you. It's a small idiot box, but this box has computer built in. This works on Android. We don't want to make Bill Gates any more rich. So entire program, all content, everything is designed on Android. We are partnering with multiple companies across globe. Right now we have English, Hindi, Marathi, 1st to 12th, entire K-12 education content built in this. This projector has the projector has the complete 50,000 hours. Light na projector. The projector has 50,000 hours life. Normal this kind of projectors has 3,000 or 5,000 hours life, and then you have to change the bulb, which is having a 5,000 to 8,000 or 12,000 rupees cost of that. This is a complete sealed engine. India is a dusty country. India has a lot of dust, and electronics is the major challenge. So there is absolutely zero maintenance kind of a product. We have installed this in many schools. Now around 965 schools will be completed in coming next 4 months. We have got a huge response on. This is how it is. It's installed in hardly few minutes. Just click the button and it goes to the program. Whichever program you want, you just click it, and you can select any app which is loaded, and you just go into, now this is in Marathi. This is what is Tiruba stands for, Tirupati Balaji, and being an Indian company, we have given the multiple ideas that this is a green technology we are working in. This is a Ganpati song. This is a Balaji Gant, and we are Indian, so that's why this is India Tika. And mind to market is our concept, and this is how the whole program starts. You just press the button, and then it's this teacher or a peon or anybody can just clicks this and then addresses the whole program. So first to 10, I'm showing you Marathi. We have English also in the same fashion. It's so simple to use. I'll give you a classic example. I'll call my colleague. He was a vice president of Reliance. He joined us. He's a chief operating officer of our company for global market. We are working with n number of schools to add on. ICT is free, information communication technology. We give entire MS Office package training, etc. What other companies are charging 2,000, 5,000 rupees. That is, everything is given free of cost. We are working on animation content. We are working on multiple skill development programs. We are creating a value-based education. All religions put together, all saints said only one thing: give a good back to society. And that is what is getting captured inside. This computer has multiple connectivities. You can connect a television, you can connect a satellite TV, you can connect a your mobile phone directly can be connected with the Wi-Fi, with the AirPlay technologies, where a student can do homework with the Akash tablet, can be wirelessly shown in the classroom, and teacher can put whatever programs they can. Now, just show any of the. So how simple it is to use, and I'll show you something different on this. While he's doing it, what happens in India? Yeah. So these are some just sample, just to show you the content. What I will do now, which happens in India, yeah, I'll just remove the plug. This is what happens in India. Electricity goes anytime, correct? The challenge, I give you anybody a challenge. What will happen if this is a Windows Microsoft product? Pratham. So just see, and this happens in schools. This is a problem of teachers. Teachers will never touch a computer again. Because that is what happens. He can't understand, he doesn't understand. The principal says, what are you doing with the computer? I mean, they don't use it. Ask Pratham, they'll tell you. See, everything started, back. Just like your mobile phone. Battery goes down, switches off, you start it, it works. And then you can connect big speakers, you can connect whatever you want. Multiple connections are there. Built-in speakers are there. You can have additional speakers like this connected. And that's it. We have given it under CSR program to Ramesh Garware Trust. That guy goes on a scooter, takes all this thing in a village. He shows this the teacher in the village where there is no infrastructure, and it is done. Now we have developed another solution in this with a digital pen on a plain wall. I touch it and I write. So this will get shortly launched and incorporated in this. So I think my presentation is over. And one small. Yeah, so we have created multiple solutions. You can see the vocational training programs we created. A lot of apps getting developed. How to become plumber, how to become carpenter, how to become animator, how to become.
Repair and maintenance of household water taps.
This because when you connect it, gives you a complete.
Water is precious for human beings. It is necessary for life on earth.
So this whole, see, the challenge of this kind of projector is this uses 450 watts, correct? Now we customize the entire product with the power requirement of less than 40 watts, just like a tube light, number one. Number two, the solar panel, the chargers, the batteries, everything is used and then simultaneously now this is working on a electricity. This will directly work on the batteries, solar power, and it will get charged for 6 hours, and it is installed in the, and you can see down at our stall, you can see the entire setup there.
What's the cost?
See, there like earlier it was costing 120,000, 150,000. We brought it down to 40,000 rupees, and we got a patent. We are going to manufacture this in India. We'll be the first company to manufacture this kind of devices in India, and we are setting a factory here under Tirubar Robotics Private Limited. We'll have multiple products getting manufactured, and that will definitely bring price further down. So,
You have the patents.
yes, we got 3 patents for multiple products. Yeah, about 45,000 rupees plus some taxes, whatever government taxes are there, and that contains the projector, contains the speakers, contains the mouse, and the entire first to 10 standard English, Hindi, semi-English, which are required Marathi, whatever required content.
Okay. Thank you very much. I just have one small question is, so that means you are using a Pico technology on this one, an LED based
Yes, exactly. This is a Texas Instrument DLP chipset,
okay.
yeah, and lamp is from Osram, Germany.
Okay.
So, and that's why the lamp life is very high, about 50,000 hours.
So the lamp per se is what lamp? It's an LED lamp?
LED lamp, yes.
Okay. Okay.
But now
So you've integrated that technology into the content?
completely, yes, completely.
Okay. Oh, that's very interesting. Okay.
And here now what we are doing, we are putting another socket here, so that can be directly connected to battery. One of the Rotary in Mumbai, they have installed this in a bus, and the bus goes to villages and they show it and come back.
Okay. No, I think this is a very, very interesting product, because when the Pico technologies came, they promised so much, but unfortunately in India, TI could not market.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I really see a big potential for this, and I think this one thing you should do also is to, I mean, the word solar, you do need to, I think, connect with some very innovative solar companies who would actually support you in this.
Sure. If you
and
can, if you know somebody,
actually,
can
I work with a lot of solar companies, and I can tell you somebody who will be very interested to work with you. So post this, I can maybe help
actually
you out.
we are working on a pedal power.
Okay.
So somebody has developed that, so
Yeah.
the students can get some exercise, and then
But what
this will
happens
get
in a
charged.
real-time situation, you know how it works. So you really need to do that. But there are a lot of people who can work in this field. I think a very good initiative. I'm sure it'll go. One small comment, you used the word Microsoft content when you said Microsoft Office. Is that the content inbuilt into this?
Actually, there is an open office, so we
So
don't
you're
get to
talking
use
about- then it's fine. I just want to tell you to go to Open Office and not Microsoft Office.
everything is open source here, and that's why we want more and more people, young students, to come in and do the pilot project with us in the villages, rural areas, and we are working on a multiple international locations, so they can, their technology also we can put it in, take it outside
I
India.
think you should partner with the open source community, FOSS community in India. There's a very
Yes.
strong community in Maharashtra who
Yes.
do a lot of great work,
Absolutely.
and that community will help you with a lot of content.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. It's been very interesting.
Thank you
And
very much. And I would like
Thank you.
to